Good afternoon already. Holy moly, guacamole. So this morning, I decided to wash the Discovery. Okay? Wash the Discovery. Went to the new BP, which I always call BT. What's that all about? Went to the BP petrol station because they've got one of these where you do it yourself. And I thought, rather than pay the dudes around the corner, which, you know, I like supporting local businesses, but rather than pay them, I'm going to do it myself. Well, that was crap. That was a stupid idea because when I got it to here, I thought, when I washed it, I was like, I did a good job. Happy Steve. And then I got it back here, and I don't know if it was the wax or the snow foam or whatever it was just covered in white. So you know what's that to do? I was fucking... Actually, I just got the wax and I just like did that. So, she's shiny. Shiny. So today is a Stevie Mechanic Day yet again with the We Buy Any Car. Actually, what I should do here is put We Buy No Cars. That's it. That's what I'm doing. I buy no cars. I refuse. So yes, I am changing a air compressor today on a Discovery. Indeed. Now, to put this in perspective, people, when you do things yourself, okay? So, the 2010 Range Rover that I recently sold, okay, customer there spent £1,000 at a specialist. Not Land Rover, because it would have been even more. The air compressor for this from Land Rover Direct is like over £1,000. Expensive. So yeah, you get the. So this I've ordered from our local parts supplier. Not the car. That'd be easy, wouldn't it? Send me a car. Yeah. So I've just got that. That was 300 odd quid. Yeah, 300 odd quid. But I'm gonna do it myself. But they charged £1,000. So you think that's like 700 pennies? More than pennies, isn't it? Of my labour. So for me doing it myself, but I shall risk paralysis and death. Wish me luck. I shall let you know how I get on. So. These are my feet. Hello, feet. Hello. Oh, dear me. So, I've got the full, I can't even remember the name of it. The ramp, that'll do. So you see the bars underneath. So these are designed for like 4x4s with historic vehicles, yeah? So when the chassis is further in, you can then support it. But I've only got it slightly in the air because I had to bring this one forward. It should be about there. See, for safety people. So, on here, underneath the car, underneath these covers, are the air compressor. So, what I've done is I've supported it slightly up in the air. So, if the air all dissipates, I shall survive. So, let's give it a gander. So, this one's super simple so far. So, this cover, okay, protects. You got one bolt there, and one bolt there, and then it just clips. Okay, so then that shows the compressor. So in there is your compressor, but the thing that I'm looking at is going, well, that's not that old, people. That looks shiny. But that just means that's some eBay shiny rubbish, maybe. Potentially. So we shall see. So all I've got to do is disconnect them two electrical sockets there. And try and take the bracket off. So we should have some bolties. You got one there, that will actually hold on the actual compressor through the bracket there. Okay, give me a few mins and I shall find the bolts. Oh, I found the bolt. Mortified. So, be careful, people. Don't take these things lightly. The air that come out literally blew my glove apart. So, all done. Even with a poorly hand, I fixed the suspension on that car. Indeedy. Now she's so close to going. Although I use it every day because I really like that car. Why do I sell all these? Oh, that's right. Car dealer. That's right. So as you can see, she is now perfect on her suspension. Yes. So every time you started it, it was so fine. Well, actually no. You know, stage 2, you go blip, blip, and they go okay. And then you start the car, and after about 20 seconds, it would go ping. Suspension fault. Normal ride height only. Which actually, people would think, well, that's okay. Because I just only use normal ride out. No, it locks it out, so it doesn't give it the smoothie ride. So yes, someone had been there before. Naughty peoples. Because what they did is they put some cheap-ass eBay crap. Or they got proper ripped off. Either way. So yes, that one's now got a 2-year warranty on it. Yes, so that is the good. And he even changed the relay. I mean, seriously, people. Talk about going extra mile. So yes, that car is now beautiful. What does it need now? It needs it don't need a bump. It's got a big bump. It needs an MOT, so I'll book that in, and that's about it. Yeah, man, it's good to go. And then what I'll do is I'll leave this now, not moving it. It will stay there like that, and I'll make sure that it's still sitting in the same position. Otherwise, there's a leaky leak, which could, actually to be fair, that could have also killed the last compressor, because it wasn't strong enough, because it was going all the time. But at the moment, it seems okay. But what we'll do is we'll keep an eye on all of that, make sure it stays the same level. If it drops, well, you know where it drops, and then you'll go leaky, and then you fixy, and then it's super fixed. So yeah, I'll have a look, keep an eye on that. So I do need to validate inside that, because I ain't got time, because it's lunchtime. Have a good day.